Hi there, my name is Nick Wood. I used to work for BBC Radio and Television, but during COVID I decided, like many other people, to buy a motorhome, a bit of an ageing motorhome, 20 years old to be precise, an auto trail from Yorkshire like me, a Cheyenne. But I have to say, sorry if this is your taste, the upholstery definitely wasn't my taste. It kind of resembled a bit of an old people's home. So I wanted everything funked up, ripped out, new everything. And like many of you, I went online, I looked at various places around the UK, and I worried whether they'd do such a good job. Anyway, I went to Andrew Rezanoff. Sorry, this review is long overdue, Andrew. You gave me no discount. You're not urging me to say good things about you, but all I would say is just look at this. All that upholstery came out. He sourced leather from Yorkshire, blue and ivory. It's faded slightly but beautifully because we wanted it to do that. And look at all the diamond stitching. He's replaced every bit of upholstery, driver's cab, the saloon at the back. He's put curtains in. And Andrew, you did a fantastic job. And from that, I got completely carried away. I decided to have Damien in to do all the fitting of new worktops and this crazy Italian sink, which is way too big, but I love it. And then I got these guys in to rip all the nasty green carpeting out and put a beautiful Scandi floor in. And then I finally got completely carried away and painted the bathroom a crazy colour and all the kitchen units. But Andrew, you were the foundation for this. And I know it's a worry when you're thinking of having a project like this. Like me, I thought, is it going to be tight enough? Will it last? Well, it does. And Mr. Rezanoff, you're a wizard. Thank you very much for making me a very happy motorhome owner.